Hello, this is Homesteading Northwest Florida. It is Sunday, April 28th at 6:15 p.m. 2024. Year of total economic depression. Terrible economy. Okay, it is 76 degrees right now this evening. And the lettuce is doing good. We've been watering things because it's like we have a severe drought. We already have a drought. I don't know what they're doing, but I don't know what the clouds are doing. But next door here, where I did show you how they burnt the field early this spring, and then they planted, because we're not really supposed to get any more rain here. So now they are harvesting the hay, and because it's not going to rain and nothing's going to grow now. So they got, oh boy, they got a lot of bales of hay. Maybe something will come back if we do ever get any rain. But they had a controlled burn of the weeds that were in between these two fields, and they've been really kicking up a lot of dust, actually. Baling this hay and cutting it, and kind of looks like oats or barley. I will taste some in the future to see what it is. Ooh, what do I got here? I've been really trying, I was trying to grow morning glories here. Oh, it looks like a morning glory. Kind of, maybe. But I put a lot of seeds over there, but probably because of the rain. They're coming up over here where I am watering. And we gotta water stuff every day, which is fabulous. But yeah, they got quite a few bales of hay out of that field. Probably need it. They're really working that field now. Maybe because the economy is so screwy and the price of beef and everything like that. But they're really kicking up a lot of dust, and gonna have to wash my car. I partially washed it after the rains. And detailed the trunk, but gonna really have to wash things after they're done. Hopefully they'll be done, because I can't picture them bringing irrigation in. So yeah, I've been watering a few things back here, mainly watering in the front. And the compost piles. Turn that hose on every once in a while, but I guess it's alright because not as many weeds grow. But we always have a flower bed here, or we did. And the 4 green giant arborvitaes, I water those by hand. I'm going to fix up some kind of soaker hose, though, made out of PEX, I think, because the other ones don't seem to last longer than like a year. And a friend of mine told me that PEX lasts. So here, where I just put my new walkway in, we have some morning glories, and at least I can stand here and water. Kind of nice. Here's our field of pine trees here, longleaf pines. They're going good. And we just been watering everything. And I just put in some seeds here. I put in some few eggplant. I put in some tomatoes. I put in some Tithonia diversifolia that grows from seed, which that is those seeds there. And now we have some Mexican petunia in here also. And yeah, and some longleaf pine trees. I would love to have a barrier here. They're coming along. Yep. So we'll see what comes up here. I put in some green California Wonder green pepper. But the soil here, because I didn't water, was so dried out. Like, let's see if it's even wet underneath here. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we're getting a little moisture down in there. Not really though. Water that for a day and it, you know, for an hour and maybe the moisture would get down there. But yeah, kind of dry. So, been watering. Tomatoes I transferred into a larger container. A lot of tomatoes in one container, though. Maybe I should thin that. But I'd like to get some tomatoes. So yeah, that's what we got going on here. Alright, thanks for watching.